Okay guys, here we are again. We're gonna deviate from the norm yet again with this next video. Welcome, first of all, to the Electric Razor Rap YouTube channel. I'm seeing this for the first time. I'm opening this. I'm gonna open this with you guys. We're gonna see it together. So what I've ordered now is an Electric Razor Rap hoodie. So we're gonna open this up, unbox it, of course. I'll show it to you, and then later on I'll put it on in a separate video that I'll merge together with this one. So here we go. We'll open this up. Hopefully it's as I ordered it. Wow, looks good. Look at that, guys. The logo, black hoodie, white text, white graphic. There you go. How do you like that? Okay, we've got the strings here, of course. There's the front, and there's the back. So really a standard hoodie, of course. This is the Gildan Heavy Blend hoodie, 2XL, and I like Gildan products. Yes, I think this hoodie turned out really well. So what I'll do is, when you see me next, you'll see me with this hoodie on. I'll be wearing it. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Okay guys, here we are again. I'm back. Got the hoodie on here. You can see the logo, Electric Razor Rap. Feels good too. It's just the right size. Exactly how I wanted it. So I'll just turn around here. You can see the back. I'm really happy with it. I think it turned out really well. So as I've said in previous videos, if you want one of these, get a hold of me. Send me an email, jim@electricrazorrap.com. You can also email me at the contact form at Electric Razor Rap as well, and let me know that you want one. And I'll send you one off in the mail. Let me know your size, and I'll take care of the rest. So that's about it, guys. Just wanted to unbox this and show you how it looks. I'll be dropping another video soon. Back to the razor videos, so look out for that. But remember, once again, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, we always need more and more subscribers, right? More subscribers I have, the sooner I get to monetization. So please do that. Also, again, you can donate money if you like the videos that I do. www.buymeacoffee.com/electricrazorrap. And as I've said, you can also visit the Electric Razor Rap message board, www.electricrazorrap.com. Thanks again, guys, and I will see you in the next video.